Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to log SIM card with SIM pin into your HTC Desire 628. First of all, open your settings and find security option, this one. Here we got setup SIM log. This log, for example, if you have two SIM cards, click for example SIM 1 or SIM 2 and then log your SIM card. So I've got only one SIM card, so choose this card, click here to log SIM card, and now for locking need enter your pin, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, and click OK. And now we logged our SIM card with SIM pin. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.